Hello.
Hi.
Uptown Swing.
That's right.
Level 4.
Brian.
Naomi.
Correct.
Variations.
Variations. This week was focused on Charleston because we've done a bunch of 6 and 8 count stuff earlier in the month. So we did this. 5, 6, 7, and hey.
And hey. Zoom. Hey, we
Then
had
we
a
did.
triple step. Another triple.
Hey. Hey.
Zoom.
And then we could combine those. Are we doing the...
Yeah, we can combine it. Get out, zoom. Zap, zoom. Get out, zoom. Zap, zoom. Hey.
Then we did scissor kicks. Hey.
Hey. Hey.
So briefly, you can combine them however you like. 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Hey. Zoom. Hey.
Then we did tandem Charleston, where we did some of the same ideas.
Yeah, we did 3 of the same ones. Show them. Do you want to show them these ways?
Hey. Hey. And everyone was thinking very hard. Then
Hand.
we did hand to hand.
Hey.
Around the world went swing
Hey.
with the mini dip.
Hey.
One more time, we went hey. Crack.
Hey.
That was it. Mini dip is 6 count, bitches.